Hey, chum. Right. So what's happening, man? My man?
Hey, what's up?
Huh? What's been happening, my man?
Nothing. We're here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So what's happening today? What's the event? What's the occasion?
We're gonna go to a soccer match.
Wow.
In Joburg.
Really?
We are VIPs.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. We're going to a soccer match where we are VIPs. Yeah.
Yes, I'm in Joburg with Jam, you know, and we're here. Hey, we're here. You know what I mean? And we came to watch a match with my young man Chamu here. You know what I mean? So we are here to enjoy ourselves and also see what's happening in Joburg and play, you know, with those that are playing with us. We've come to support Kama Billiards from Sundowns. My player from my national team in Zimbabwe. Me, PC.
Superstar Kama Billiards.
Yeah, he's good, yeah?
Superstar.
Wow. So you know, here is the COSAFA president, here. To see what happened today, the Super League. Super Cup, they call it. Even Issa Hayatu is here, Kabele is here, and I'm also here. You know what I mean? We spoke yesterday, you know?
Yeah, don't forget on the 23rd, President of FIFA, Gianni Infantino, will be in Zimbabwe.
Oh yes, he's coming to the guest of honor at my party in Zimbabwe. So be there, all of you, yeah? Chamu, they're gonna come?
Yes, I'm the host.
Yes, Chamela is the host, man. PC, Philip Chiangwa, the ZIFA president, the COSAFA president. Furthermore, the man of the moment. Don't play with me.
Peace. We are out.
Thank you.